LCD, that is liquid crystal display, is very commonly used in electronics and embedded systems to display data in alphanumeric format. There are so many types of LCD available in market, but 16 by 2 and 20 by 4 LCDs are most popular in market as well as industry. This number, that is 16 by 2, represents the number of row and columns, or in other words, number of lines and characters. The number 16 refers to the column or characters in each line, and the number 2 refers to rows or lines. This is 16 by 2 LCD shown here. As you can see, there are almost 16 pins for connection purpose. Interfacing this LCD with any microcontroller with all these connections is a painful task. It creates a mess of so many wires in a circuit. Additionally, it consumes almost 6 to 10 input-output pins of microcontroller, which doesn't make any sense in any project. So, to overcome this drawback, an I2C LCD backpack module is used nowadays. This module works on I2C, that is Inter-Integrated Circuit Protocol. This module acts as a I/O expander for LCD. This module allows us to communicate with LCD only by using two data lines instead of 10 like traditional way. You just need to solder this module to LCD from its backside. It will look like this then. Now let's see about I2C protocol quite little. This protocol is also very widely used in industry for inter-device communication. Most of the companies are adopting I2C protocol in their sensors and other modules because of its powerful development in last few years. In serial communication, we can use only one device at a time for communication. Unlike serial communication protocol, I2C allows us multiple devices on single communication bus by using SDA, that is serial data, and SCL, that is serial clock lines. It works on master-slave pattern. While connecting slave devices to master, SDA pins should be connected to SDA only, and same about the SCL. Sometimes Arduino board does not come with a indication printed on board about the SDA and SCL lines, but as per the company datasheet, A4, that is analog pin, and A5 pins are used for SDA and SCL respectively. So let's see about the connections of LCD and Arduino. The connection is now very simple and straightforward. Connect ground of LCD to ground of Arduino. Then connect VCC of LCD to 5V pin of Arduino. Then connect SDA of LCD to analog 4 pin of Arduino. And then SCL pin of LCD to analog 5 pin of Arduino. Before programming the Arduino, first you need to find out the address of I2C module of LCD. There is a special program given on my GitHub repository to find out the I2C address of LCD. In fact, you can use this program to find the address of any I2C device in the market. After that, you need to install the I2C LCD library in Arduino. This library helps us to work easily with I2C LCD. Install the library as shown in following steps. After uploading the program, you can see the text on LCD which you have sent from a program. If you don't get any data displayed on LCD, try adjusting the blue colored trim pot in clockwise direction on module's backside. Stop turning it when you get the data on LCD. If still you are not getting the data on LCD, check the connection of LCD as well as the continuity of its wires.